How much stock do you put in the opening sentence?
I would say a lot, really. I do look for a sentence that is immediately drawing me in. I have kind of a list of like, it's an odd number, but I like odd numbers, 21 things that I look for in opening pages. And one of those things is,
Ah,
is a killer opening line. And so as an editor, when I'm going through, well, even as an agent too, sometimes I'm able to pick out a different line and I'm like, oh my goodness, why aren't we leading with that?
you
That needs to
buried
be
the
your opening.
lead.
Yeah, exactly. So, so yeah, when you think about a book in a bookstore, some people will look at the back and that's good enough and they'll like it and they'll buy it. Some people will read the first page, some people will read the first chapter, some people will open up the middle. And if the middle is good, then that's one of my clients actually was recently talking about that. Don't look at the first few pages, look at the middle. And if the middle grabs you, it's probably going to be a good book. So there's all kinds of different ways that you can judge a book, right? Whether or not you want to read it. But one of those things is the opening line or two, like the opening paragraph. Is it enough to compel someone to want to read the rest of the page? And at the bottom of that page, is that enough to compel them to turn to the next page, and so on and so on. So yeah, I think an opening line has to be, I don't want to say perfect because that's very and there is no such thing as perfection, but it has to be something that will immediately draw people in my opinion.
And again, is that a gut check thing, or is there something quantifiable in it? Something that you can point to and go, this is why this sentence works and grabbed me, and this is why this sentence didn't.
If I look at a sentence, I can usually pinpoint what it is about it that is pulling me in. But again, it's not like 2 plus 2 is 4. It's not a formula, right? It's kind of this magical combination of things that is the result of someone who has put in all of that time and effort and, they've learned the craft.
There are days when I kind of wish it was 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Yeah.
Those
Yeah.
those are fleeting, because if it was, then the artistry would be gone. The personality
Exactly.
would be gone. And
Yeah.
then we're down the AI route, which is a whole other conversation that we will not
Yep.
go down, because Kathleen, a rant will come out of me that I don't mean
Same,
to.
same.
So my thought on the opening sentence is that, and we might be saying the same thing, but in a different way. The goal of the opening sentence is to get them to read the next sentence. That's what it has to do. And the goal of the second sentence is to get them to read the third sentence until finally they're at the end of the page and they don't know how they got there so quickly. And they need
Yeah.
to turn it over. Like Anthony Horowitz is a personal favorite of mine and Melanie's. Part of the reason is his books feel like they read themselves. That's how smooth the line writing is. That's my goal. Just have the book read itself. Okay.